Uključite Istina od Njim HR i podignite glas za svoj stan. Novo Nordija.
Istraži nove galaksije uz Samsung Galaxy S26 i tarifu Savršena Plus.
Tebi, štriki.
Uskrs samo što nije, a u studentu popusti kao nikad prije. Iz kataloga izdvajamo toni majoneza 611 grama plus 150 grama gratis, 3,49 €. Kava Instant Nescafe Classic 200 grama, 7,99 €. Samo uz moj student aplikaciju Bartol Granić 0,7 litara, 17,99 €.
Studenac. I sitno i bitno. Novi Dyson robotski usisavač prepoznaje energije, identificira, uklanja i ponovno provjerava uz nakladnu AI tehnologiju sa samočistećim Wi-Fi koji se bere pri svakoj rotaciji. Nečistoća se više nema gdje sakriti. Potražite kod premium partnera.
Stoga je naša moza, naša principa, ali to je mjesto na koje nikad nismo glumci. Baš naprotiv, tu uvijek sjedamo bez vlasti. Bez pretvaranja, upravo onakvi kakvi jesmo. Sve do nam jesi i raščuvan. Sve do nam jesi i žurbi. Imaš vremena kožno te ovdje. Sve do nam je jutra, podne ili kasna večer. Sve do jesi li s onima koje te poznaješ. S onima o kojima mogu nešto novo doznaješ. Našto nam nikad nije sretno, s ono što ćeš staviti na njega. Špaliti i najbolje na stol.
Još jedno jutro u čašnjenju. Ulazi stvari u govorite. Priušti si ono o čemu staviš. I pretvori sve obaveze u jednu. Sve realni gotovinski kredit. Samo do 15. travnja. Reklamima. Slejte.
Nakon treninga, firme sastoju obuhvatiranje napravljeno s otvarane i zajebane svoje račune. Snove u sklopu se za održavanje mišićne mase. Raznosite tvoj trend. Svegom protekte. Kvaliteta, vizija.
Nova Samsung Galaxy S26 serija. Prvi na svijetu ugrađen naslon uređajima. Nova noćna prednja kamera. Odličan dizajn. Hrvatski Telekom. Dobrodošli u Sferi Srpske, gdje je svaki dan avantura, svaki trenutak stvoren za ekstazu i svaki obrok
Je comprends pas. Qui staat de kast niet deze wedstrijd en de volgende wedstrijd? Wat? Sorry, Peter, stand on this. Be brave. She wants to cry. Who's on my hands? What do you want to know? I should like Monsieur to tell me if you spoke to your stepmother yesterday afternoon, and if so, when? We spoke about 1 o'clock, hottest part of the day. She'd been perched up there like some evil red pudding ever since you lot set off. I say we spoke. I spoke. She ignored me. Nothing unusual about that.
Ever get you anything at all? To drink?
You know how it was. I mustn't disturb her when she was taking the sun, but God help you if you neglected to do so.
Monsieur, we found this syringe.
Where was this discovered?
In the tent occupied by the old lady. The Nema?
And the Lord said unto the servants, Go out into the highways, and compel them to come into my feast, that my house may be filled. It's a beautiful parable. The word King James renders as compel is in the Greek anantazo. It means compel with violence, the Spanish means. They use this simple word to justify every atrocity of their Inquisition. But it is God's own command that those unwilling to enter his kingdom should be persuaded in his pain. That's terrible. Compulsion of any kind, my dear, it can be terrible. I overheard my stepfather telling the story that was written here. Death following the man across the desert. Something has followed me here to this place. Something evil. God is here to guard you, Jenny. He lives in every grain of sand.
ولا الخرانيف إلا بمثل النبي كان يا أخوان ما تفهم الظهور قال الخيان قال
What is it now? Sorry, gentlemen. Sand in the grooves.
Quite. Well, you never drew all the gun before.
Right.
In this case, it is most unsatisfactory. There are plenty of suspects involved.
Yes, but almost all of them were outside of the camp at the time that the murder was committed. And this is corroborated by a witness who is impeccable. Me. They will be far off more.
Raymond Watson. Again back.
Yes, sure, sir. Je connais bien. Oui.
Also wrote pointed and you saw.
Yes, yes. And tomorrow we need the further interrogations.
That's a queer one.
Without that, there is not a Monsieur Cook than he wishes to be known. But in that desire, and in this company, he is not unique.
Open this direction. Don't know what it takes, son, now. What the hell is that? were from really? No. That's gotta be something.